umuntu ukhahlela epalini. I-intention of scoring somewhere, it's just nje ukuthi hayi malibhekene nokeeper maliyekile lizoba phakathi. Yabo. And sometimes you would have to maybe lisuse kancane lithi ukuthi sway away from goalkeeper, you know. Yeah, such things. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Squad Sam is cool kakhulu mfethu. I've released a lot of players and I'm happy with what I have right now because remember kusenabadlali abafana noMbatha, Siema, Apolis, who are not part of the setup right now because they were playing with Bafana. Okay, Siema, I think in the coming games they will get involved.
It's like most senior players didn't get involved in this one because UCBC as well didn't play hot or
Exactly. So it's good. I think it's good to see players ongajwayele ukubabona during the season playing kahle. Yeah. And also doing well because it's not just playing. I think when we put in a team that looked more stronger, that's when we dropped our performance. But first half we were doing so well. Yeah. Even marking wise, that's why in Ngoma Uzulu. Marking wise, you talk about Osilepe, Eswini, what they were doing.